Hello fan collectors, today I present you with a 52-inch red air-cooled ceiling fan. It was made in July of 1987. It was sold at Stambaugh's, now defunct hardware store, which was a cross between Lowe's and True Value, or vice versa. I don't know how I want to say that. I'll turn the lights on for you. Turn them off. This is exactly how it looked on the Stambaugh's ceiling fan display in the 1980s, and this is a childhood fan of mine. I found this at Goodwill in 2008 for only $5, and I was really excited when I saw this. And oddly enough, the Goodwill I bought it from is where the Stambaugh's was, so I was really excited to bring this home and install it. And now I finally make a video of it. Okay, I'm going to turn the fan on, start out on low. I just put a new capacitor in it so it shouldn't hum as much, kind of suppress the hum. Okay, medium. Little bit of a hum. Now I'm going to turn it on high. It has a slight wobble to it. I've seen worse, but it's got a wobble. Might need to balance the blades on it. I think I'm just going to power it down now since it's getting kind of cold in here. Spin down. The reason I decided to put it up was, well, number one, to do a video of it, and number two, it's Christmas time, and it's really festive looking fan. Get an angular shot of it. If you notice the light kit on it, it's got a K4S fitter like you'd find in Casablanca. I think that Aircool was really determined to knock off Casablanca in this model, because they did make a Ferrari red Delta II. I know they made a Ferrari red Lady Delta. Fan is off. Well, it's almost off. Just coming to a halt.